Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can keep your scalp healthy, moisturized, glowing even while on protective style. I'm going to show you this lightweight product that you can use for your scalp while it's on protective style. This will keep your hair away from flakes, dandruff, or dry scalp. This will keep your hair growing very strong while it's on protective style. If this feel like something you'd be interested in, then keep watching. Let's get into it. Okay, our first ingredient is aloe vera. We all know that aloe vera is a game changer when it comes to hair care, especially for 4C hair. Aloe vera is packed with water, which acts as a natural humectant. It draws water into your strands and also retain it. This is especially important for 4C hair, which intend to dry out quickly. The anti-inflammatory and cooling properties in aloe vera can help calm down irritation, reduce dandruff. This can also release tight, itchy feelings you get while you're on your protective style. You know what they say, healthy scalp is equals to healthy hair. Aloe vera helps restore the scalp natural pH, which can prevent buildup, flaking, and even hair loss over the time. It contains enzymes that can help repair dead skin cells and breakage on the scalp, encouraging stronger, healthier hair growth from the root. By improving blood circulation to the scalp and keeping the follicles clear, aloe vera supports stronger, fuller hair growth, perfect during your protective style. This is actually very good while you're on your protective style to keep your hair moisturized and growing. I don't need to explain much as you all already know how we do it. This is just me trying to peel out the back of the aloe vera to remove the gel. After peeling out the back, that's the green part, this is what we got. This is what we are going to be using. If you are allergic to aloe vera, go ahead and rinse this out. If not, feel free to use it like that. So right now we are going to be blending this. I'm just going to pour it into my blender right away, and then I will add a little bit of water. I'm going to show you the quantity, not much, just this quantity is okay, just very little is enough. I'm going to add it into the blender and I'll go ahead and blend this up. I'll blend it very well to extract the gel. The reason I added water is because we are going for a lightweight moisturizer, nothing too much, nothing too strong, but you can decide whether you want to add water or not. Just feel free to twitch it anyhow it suits you best. I've heard a lot of complaint about aloe vera drying out the hair, but this won't dry out your hair because we are going to make this in a way that it will keep your hair very moisturized. So do not skip any part of this video, just keep watching. All right, after blending to your desired consistency, if you don't have a blender, you can just use your spoon to scrape out the aloe vera. There are so many ways you can extract the aloe vera gel. So after that, I'm going to use my strainer to strain out the gel because there are still particles inside the aloe vera, I believe so. So let's just strain out the gel because we don't want any residues on our hair. Even if the residue gets into your hair, it will not harm you. All right, it's just going to dry up later and it will fall out, so there is no big deal about it. But I really want this to be smooth because it is my scalp. I'm going to be using this thing mainly on my scalp, so I really need it to be as free from particles as possible. I would have used my cheesecloth because that would have been easier for me, but anyway, I've already started. I have to finish it. You can use your socks, you can use your what they used to call that thing, wig cap. You can use anything that you have available at all. So after straining it, I'm going to show you guys what came out, the little particles that came out of it, and that is something, that is the reason why you need to strain it, to avoid any particles from getting to your hair. Now this is it. I know it's not much, but we don't want this on our scalp. I hope you understand. So this is the consistency that we got. This is absolutely fine. I love the consistency that we got. Not so thick, not so watery. This is actually perfect. Now the next product we are going to be adding into this is our vegetable glycerin. We all know that vegetable glycerin is also a humectant. Like, this draws moisture into your hair. Vegetable glycerin literally pulls moisture from the air into your hair. This is good for dry ass hair. It helps you keep your hair hydrated for a longer time. Glycerin softens the hair strands, making it more elastic and less likely to break or snap. It is perfect for when you are trying to retain your length. The combination of these two will make the aloe vera less drying. That is why I said we're going to make this not to dry out your hair. So this will not dry out your hair because the glycerin already complemented this so well that it will keep your hair moisturized and free from dryness. After mixing both ingredients, I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle, and then I'll show you guys how I use this on my scalp. Also, feel free to use this on your hair, but do not forget to use a lightweight oil or a butter to seal it in to avoid your hair drying up, because we don't want that. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this lightweight moisturizer on my scalp to make sure my scalp is moisturized and healthy while I'm still growing my hair in a protective style. Okay, so let's do that. So the job is quite simple. All you need to do is to apply this directly to your scalp, then use your other hand to massage it in. Apply and massage. That is basically all we need to do right now. I decided to use this applicator bottle because it's doing the job better than the spray bottle. This will literally keep your scalp hydrated for days without flaking, without dryness, and your hair will keep growing while on your protective. This is an addition to my routine. While you're on your protective style, do not neglect your scalp. Do not just spray things on your hair and then neglect your scalp. Your scalp is where your hair grows out from, so you need to make sure it is properly moisturized, and using this combination will do the job for you. Having said that, I have a compilation of 90 different recipes you can try at the comfort of your home. I'm still working on the ebook. When it is ready, maybe on my next upload, I will let you guys know about it so you guys can get one for yourself. So if you're going to try out this recipe, let me know. If you are trying it already, let me know how it is working for you. Also, if you have a problem with aloe vera, because I've heard a lot of people complain about how drying aloe vera is, let me know too. But be rest assured, if you do it this way, you're not going to experience any dryness on your scalp. These are for people who complain about aloe vera drying out their scalp. If you feel like using this on your hair, you can as well use it, but use a butter or an oil to seal it in. After you must have used your leave-in conditioner. Do not just use it like that and leave it. Okay, try to use a leave-in conditioner too. And we have finally come to the end of this video. Thank you for coming back. See you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.